The Typhur Dome 2, is it the best air fryer in the world? Today we're going to find out. This has some amazing features. It has a wide basket where you can cook a whole 12-inch pizza. It has 2 burners, and it is taking the air fryer world by storm. What's up? It's Wednesday. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. The mighty air fryer, it has taken over the kitchen, right? It's taken over the culinary world. It's taken over our lives, and for good reason, because they are absolutely amazing.
Yeah, because it does good French fries.
It does the good fries. We used to always deep fry our fries, and now that we do it in the air fryer, when I eat them deep fried, I'm like, ugh, I don't like them that way.
You just spray a little oil on it?
Spray a little oil, boom, 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 right? So you had the first generation of the air fryer. So now we have the second generation of air fryer. This is the Typhur Dome 2. Second generation of the Typhur Dome and a second generation of the air fryer, because this air fryer has top and bottom elements. So gone are the days that just over browns on the top and doesn't brown on the bottom. We got elements on both, meaning right on the base of that air fryer basket, you can cook a steak, right? Ooh. So we're going to see, this is an interesting air fryer. It solves a lot of air fryer issues. Like, one issue with the air fryer is that there's no way to clean it. It splatters all over. This has a cleaning function inside of it to keep the inside of your air fryer nice and beautiful, right? So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Typhur Dome for sending this so we can try it out. As soon as I heard that their air fryer does a whole pizza, I was like, yeah, we need to try it, right? There'll be links down in the description for this so you can take a look at this. A lot of us cooks, we've already heard of the Typhur Dome, right? Because it has taken the air fryer world by storm. And when you get it, it's going to arrive in this big, huge box. This is amazing. As soon as you get this box, you're like, yeah, this is air frying at another level. Woo.
It's Blue Ridge Mountain small appliance removal from the box, tip her over on the side service, ma'am. Come on through. Oh!
Typhur Dome! Yeah. Wow.
It's upside down, so let's turn the other way.
Whoa. Okay. We're going to try out a bunch of things in here. I'm looking forward to it. So there's our Typhur Dome. Cool. So my assistant got it out of the box for me. So here we have a manual, precautions before use, and a user manual. And here is our grill tray, air frying tray. And here is the Typhur Dome. Whoa. If they put wheels on this baby with the remote control, you can just put your pizza in there and it wheels right into where you're going to eat. Whoa, this is serious. Whoa. Okay, this is pretty cool. So they're not kidding around. This could hold the whole pizza, right? Now this is an air fryer. So I think some of the complaints that I've heard about air fryers is that the basket's too small. So it's like a 1 to 2 person oven. This is definitely not a 1 to 2 person oven. You could do a whole pizza in here. A whole bunch of chicken.
I think you put a whole bag of fries in that bad boy.
I think so too. So you can put it in here and cook your fries, cook some potatoes, cook your wings and your...
Get some big old steaks in there.
Yeah. And then it goes in here. Here's your dome. It almost looks like one of those fancy pizza ovens you see. Whoa. So they have the Typhur app. You can download that from the Play Store or the Apple Store. There's a bunch of recipes in here, and I really think there are a few in here that I find interesting, like fluffy French toast in an air fryer, right?
Yeah.
So you can connect it to your air fryer, and then you control it, all the functions. You can have presets. You can control it with the presets, the self-cleaning function, and the modes. So if you go like that, and then you go to the device, and you press start, there it goes. It is pretty quiet. Okay, so sorry for the lighting. They have presets for pizza, bacon, steak, wings, air fry setting, toast, grill, and reheat. So if you just want to do generic air frying, you can go like that. You can increase the temp and the time to whatever you want it to be. So I'm just going to do generic air fry and hit go. And it starts up.
It's pretty quiet.
It's really quiet.
Yeah.
It's way quiet than the one that we have already.
Yeah.
I think it might have a replacement. Okay, so let me go grab some ingredients. We're going to cook a pizza. We're going to cook some chicken tenders and fries. I'll see what else I can pull out of the freezer. Bacon, and maybe I'll get Eric a steak too.
Ooh.
So let me go grab that. Okay, so the app says we're going to go pizza 360 for 14 minutes. And it's going to go through a preheat mode, and then we're going to load the pizza. Okay, the preheat is done. So I took out the rack per the instructions. We're going to go ahead and put our frozen pizza in here. Little sizzly.
Mm-hmm.
Fix the pepperoni a little. Then we're going to load it back into the cooker, and we're going to have pizza pretty soon. Okay, pizza's coming out. Pizza's coming out. Whoa, ho, ho, pizza's coming out. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's a showstopper right there. That is an absolute showstopper. So one of the things I can tell you is that this thing was really quiet. We have a lot of yumminess going on there. I think I need to put this on the board and cut it so Eric can take a piece.
I agree with that.
Cut it up. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's looking good. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Shh. You ready, boo? Whoa, cheese.
It's hot.
Here's Eric's piece. Looks amazing. Come on over and take a bite, boo.
Now you see it?
Hot.
Now I need a refill. Oh, hot.
That's a hot,
I'm going to burn my mouth.
crispy pizza. Wow.
It's good, though.
Looks amazing. So this is a quick meal. Eric got his pizza. So I'm going to cook up some tater tots and chicken strips. This is fast meal. I'm going to give him a little spray. And in they go. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on air fry. And then I'm going to set this for like 375. I'm going to drop my time down. So like 12 minutes. And we'll see what happens. So we're going to pull this out. It's been about 11 minutes. I'm going to probe them. 168, 170, 167. These are done. Let me go ahead and collect these chickens. And collect these taters. I'm going to put this basket back in. Give myself a little bit of my honey mustard dipping sauce. I'll put a link in the description. And that is delicious.
Tater tot done.
I do not eat these very often, but in a quick hurry, better than going to a drive-thru. Delicious. It did a fantastic job. I put it in there for 15 minutes and it only took 12. So that's my gauge for this. Amazing. Did a fantastic job. Okay, for the steak, we're going to go hit steak and turn it on. And we're going to go through a 6-minute preheat and then we'll put the steak in. Okay, so it is preheated. Woo! Woo and woo. Now we're going to put it in. Okay, so we're at 135. Boom. Bada bing. We got some steakies. We're going to take these off here. And we're going to tent them. And then we'll be back to take a taste. Okay. So we are going to take the lips off. Yay. So one of the things I could say about the cooker is it was really quiet. I didn't know it was even on.
Maybe they turned the fans off and it was just grilling. Who knows?
Maybe. So there's our piece there. How is it, Boo?
It's very juicy, tender.
Okay, I have another piece, Boo.
So you see it's all pink, got very minor crust looking around there, locust fat. But otherwise it's juicy. It's just great. So, I don't know.
So cooks, that was really fun. The Typhur Dome 2 did an amazing job. The chicken strips came out nice and crispy and the tater tots were nice and crispy. The pizza was amazing. Eric wolfed that thing down, the whole thing at once.
Gone.
And the steak turned out great. So I would say it is a thumbs up for me. If you want to take a look at it, the links will be down in the description. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Typhur Dome for sending this and allowing us to try this out. I think I want to make these wavy fries in there. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this.